Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create comments in Microsoft Word document. So click on start button and run the program window or Microsoft Word. Scroll right and here is the program window. Before inserting comment in MS Word document, I have to generate some random text for the practical. So type is equal to rand parenthesis start and 2 paragraphs and containing 3 sentences. Hit the enter key. You can see I have generated 2 paragraphs containing some sentences. So I want to add comments on some words or phrases. So here I'm going to add a comment on the word item. So if I want to tell the reader of this document what the item means, items means in this text, so I can add some comments, make understand the reader what items are. So select the word or phrase on which you want to add the comment. So go to the review tab, and from here review tab, you can see just below the review tab a group named comments. From here you have to click on the comments, new comment, and it will show you a balloon for writing comments. So type the some explanations about the items. Let's say I'm going to write pen, markers, and ruler, board. So click outside the comment area. So I'm going to add one more comment on the second paragraph. I'm going to text apply, select some text from here. Let's say I'm going to select this word home and go to again review tab, and from review tab you see just below the review tab you can see comments group. Again click on the new comment. It will add a balloon for comment for you. So home means principal home. So click outside of the document area or balloon area. So here you can see I have successfully added 2 comments on both paragraphs. The first comment is on the items and the second comment is on the home. It makes it easy for reader of the document what the term means or what this word means. So now I will tell you how to remove the comments from the paragraphs. So I have to remove the comment from first paragraph. So click on the comment area and go to the review tab. From here you have to click on the delete. You can see it has been deleted. It's deleted successfully. And again click on the comment balloon and go to review tab and click on the delete. I have successfully deleted both comments from the both words. So this was the lesson for today. If you want to ask something, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching.